Guava is a tropical fruit that is native to Central America and Mexico. It is a small tree or shrub that produces round or pear-shaped fruits that are usually between 2 to 4 inches in diameter. The fruit has a thick, green, or yellow skin and a pink, white, or red flesh, depending on the variety. The seeds are edible, but they can be quite hard. Guava is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. It also contains dietary fiber and antioxidants. Some potential health benefits of guava include boosting immune system. Guava is a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Improving heart health. Guava is a good source of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, which can help lower cholesterol levels and decrease the risk of heart disease. Helping with digestion. Guava is high in fiber, which can help relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Managing diabetes. Guava leaves contain compounds which can help lower the blood sugar levels. Supporting weight loss. Guava is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a good choice for people trying to lose weight. Maintaining good skin and hair. Guava is a good source of vitamin A and vitamin C, which are essential for maintaining good skin and hair health. How to consume guava? There are many ways to consume guava, depending on your preference and the ripeness of the fruit. Here are a few options. Raw. Guava can be eaten raw as is. You can cut it into small pieces or eat it whole. Be sure to wash the fruit thoroughly before eating it. Juice. Guava can be juiced and consumed as a refreshing drink. You can add other fruits or vegetables, such as pineapple or ginger, to the juice for added flavor. Jams, jellies, and preserves. Guava can be made into jams, jellies, or preserves, which can be spread on toast or used as a topping for pancakes or waffles. Dried. Guava can be dried and eaten as a snack or added to trail mix. Guava leaves. Guava leaves are also consumed in many cultures. They are known to have medicinal properties and are used to prepare teas, decoctions, and soups. Guava leaf tea. The leaves of the guava tree can be steeped in hot water to make a tea that is said to have health benefits, such as helping to control diabetes and reducing inflammation. It's important to note that guava should be consumed in moderation, as it does contain natural sugar. Also, when consuming guava leaves, it's important to make sure they are washed and cleaned properly. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before consuming guava leaves as a medicine or supplement.